Hey, so I'm here with Work IQ, and they have this really interesting vice grip that if you're on a farm or you're working in the garage, you have to take a look at this vice grip, because just the maneuverability about it really makes changing out working on your weed eater, working on your chainsaw at a whole different level. So we're gonna go ahead and take it over to Brandon. Brandon's gonna give us a quick intro on it. Brandon, go ahead and show us a little bit about this vice grip.
Yeah, absolutely. So we're looking at this vise here. It's permanently mounted here to the base. A traditional vise, this is the plane that you're working in. You know, you might be able to swivel it here and there. With the IQ vise, you can actually lift up on this cam lever and rotate it in any direction you want to. Completely 360 degrees, lock it at any angle. You can even lay it straight down flat if you'd like, and that holds the work off the workbench. I can cut this off, route the edges, drill holes in it. You finish one side of this board, simply take it and flip it over and finish the other side of the board all in one go. The other key benefit there is this vise has exchangeable jaws. So I can pop these pins out, pull off my woodworking jaws. They're all double-sided, so there's a nice squishy side on the other. Say I wanted to work on this pipe here. Traditional vise, you've got 2 points of contact. Stick a pipe in there, it slips and slides around no matter how tight you get it. So I can grab our pipe fit jaws. It's got 9 serrations for 18 points of contact. You simply slide this over the hardened steel vise, pop this in, and then now, as you're articulating the vise around, those jaws stay put. You can slide this pipe in, lock it in place, and now it's not going to go anywhere. The other key benefit is this ball itself here has grooves on the bottom of it. So you can take our locking pin, slide it into the steel ball, and physically lock it into place.
Let me see that again.
Grooves and the steel locking pin.
Oh,
there.
nice. I like that.
So you can do that in 8 positions. 4 perfectly vertical at every 90 degrees. You also can lay it down at every 90 degrees. Simply take your locking pin, slide it in. That's 130 foot-pounds of torque. It's not going to go anywhere on you.
Nice, Brandon. So, like, let's say, for instance, too, you have kids, you want to be working on the bike nice and safely, and you want to secure something really good. I wanted to really kind of emphasize that it is multi-facettable to different types of products too, not just like weed eaters or just pipes, but you could stick an actual bike on that entire thing. So, and flip it completely around. You need to do X, Y, Z with it. You got to change the tires out. Or let's say you got to change you want to teach your kids on how to work on it. Well, this gives it a really good, safe environment to actually be able to work on your items. But let's go ahead and do something a little bit more of what would be kind of more on our range of things. Is that I have a farm and I'm constantly working on the chainsaw, taking it out and changing the blades and changing the bars. But what's going to happen is I'm going to introduce Tom over here, and he's going to show us a little bit more about how to use it with some power tools.
Yeah, so we have a way to work on chainsaws on multiple different, allowing you to do multiple things. You can sharpen the chain, you can work on the carburetor, you can dump the gas, you can clean out the gas and put new gas in it. But I can rotate it around upside down, any angle, and then lock it in with this cam lever. And then I've got these ports on here that we haven't talked about yet, but
oh, wow.
These allow me to get some extra lighting if I need it.
There you go. I like that.
I can get the light right where I want it.
Look at that.
We also have a magnifying glass over here if you're having trouble seeing what you're working on. And then if you need a little help figuring out how to work on your project, we have a cell phone holder that allow you to watch YouTube videos.
There you go. You could actually film with it while you're working on stuff too.
Yeah.
That is really awesome. I'm really interested in checking out this product further. And for my farm people out there and my mechanics out there, this would be awesome, especially if you're working on a carburetor, okay? Or you're trying to get something to where you're holding in it and positioning it, and just actually get a magnifying glass on it. You have to hit a hard to reach item and you need to change something on your weed eater. I definitely recommend taking a look at this product. Hey Tom, so where can I go ahead and pick one of these up at?
Oh, just search for Work IQ Tools on Amazon. You'll go to our company store, you'll see the vise there, and it's prime, so you can get it very quickly.
Perfect, thanks a lot, Tom. Brandon, thanks a lot.